Good morning, guys. So today we have this beautiful tree. This is native to India, especially to Gujarat. This tree is called bawal in our Gujarati language. I don't know what they call in other states, but yeah, this survives very dry places, especially drought. This is very drought tolerant tree, and it was a really like it propagate from bird dropping. When I was kid, my father grew it, but it was very neglected over the years. So yeah, it died back here, but still we have this amazing tree. It has a very good nebari, as you can see, and a good piece of dead wood. I would say it has a very great character, and if you can see over the years, the ramification, like the leaves, got very small. Especially when you see a wild bawal, you will see this big thorns. I have removed all the thorns, but still there are some thorns. But the size of the thorns has been reduced. Great, because I think this has been sitting in a pot for like 15 years or now. Yeah, when I was kid, maybe before that, 18 to 20 or maybe 15, I don't know. I have to ask, but yeah, this is a great tree. Let's see what we can make from this. It has a great potential to. I tried to highlight this dead wood here, so I made it like I'm trying to make it a triangle. So setting up the first branch will give me the better idea to set up the upper portion. Now what I will do is I will do the wiring of every single branch, and then I will try to design it more. What I did now is to define the structure a little bit. After the making of the first branch, I decided to make the second branch here. You can see that it is a counterbalance to this branch, and after that I have to give in some depth. So I use this branch for the depth, and here also you can see. So what remain is now the upper portion. Now I have to do this branches and make a good apex. So for the base, we already have a good structure for the base, and after some months, this will develop some more branches, so we can shorten it down over the time, and it will get ramified up more. I have seen bawal; they have a very good amount of ramification naturally. So yeah, it will get ramified, but so I have wired every branch. I have made this tape because I will wire this branch and bring it here. So because it's little bit stiffer on the stiffer side, I don't want it to get uh, broken from here. So I will very heavily bend this now. Uh, let's use the guy wire and shape it, shape the apex now. So now you can see we pulled the branch and we secured this area so it doesn't crack from here. The tree is finally finished now. I'm really happy with the results. I have used a lot of dia wires and small wires, but the result is good as the branches will get matured in future.